So good morning students. It is a computer science class of grade 11. Today we are going to see the lesson data handling. So the first question is, what will be the following code when print? So this is the code, programming code. So if you type this one, if you press F5 run means what is the output? Okay. So first we can see, you see 3 is a value will be stored in VA. Now what is the value of VA? It is nothing but, yes, 3, super. So now, what is the value of A? So this 3 will be transferred to A, right? So now the value of A is 3, super. So see here also the 3 will be transferred to VA and this 3 will be transferred to B. Now the value of B is also 3, got it? Okay. Now print A comma B means what is the output? Okay, so it will print the value of A, the output is 3. Then because of this comma, it will give you a space. Okay, because of this comma, it will give you a space. Okay, then print means the value of B is 3. Super. So the output is 3 space 3. This is the answer. Okay, so this is a model. Okay, it's a basic question. Now we can go for next level. Okay, for this question, what is the output? You think and say, I will just wait. Pause the video, think and write the output in your paper. Yes, have you finished? Okay. So now the A value is 3. B value is what? 3.0. Okay, fine. So print A means above the A, you have to write the value. Above the A, what you have to write? You have to write 3. And above B, what you have to write? You have to write 3.0. Am I right? Okay. So 3.0. Okay. You see, if both the values are equal means it will return true. If both the values are not equal means it will return false. Got it? Okay. So value of A is 3. This is 3.0. This is equal or not? You say. 3.0, both are equal or not? Yes, the answer is, tell me, the answer is true. Super. Because 3 and 3.0 both are equal value, so it will return true. It will print true. Okay. Now print A is B. Okay. What is the value of A? A is of course 3. What is the value of B? B is 3.0. You see? Is means this is what it will do now. It will check the memory location. So the memory location of 3 is 0x21. The memory location of 3.0 is will be confirm some other location. Any location you can write 0x. You write your favorite number 42. Okay then. So 3 will be in memory on memory location and 3.0 is a floating number. This will be in some other location. Okay, so A is B means whether these two addresses are equal or not. Compare these two, you say these two addresses are equal or not. Yes, these two are different. So it will return what is the output? True or false? It will compare the memory address, so it will return false. Got it? Okay, shall we go for next question? Right. Okay students, now we can go for the next question. Okay, what will be the following code print? So this is the programming code. What is the output for this code? I will give you time, you think and write the output in your paper, and after my answer you compare these two. Then you can correct it. Okay? Fine. I will give you time, you pause the video and you write the answer in your paper. Have you finished? Okay. So A is equal to 5 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. So you see, very simple. You see, minus 4 minus 3 means what? Minus 4 minus 3 means it is nothing but minus 7. Okay. So 5 minus 7. So plus 5 minus 7. What is the ultimate answer? It is nothing but minus 2. Am I right? The answer for A is minus 2. Okay, fine. So here, double star means what? Double star indicate power. Double star indicate what? Power. So this means 3 power 2. 3 power 2. Then what is this? And that 2, double star means what? Power. That 2 power 3. This 2 power 3. Okay. So 3 power 2 power 3. Okay. So how to calculate means 2 power 3, what is the answer? 2 power 3 is nothing but 3 power 2 into 2 into 2. It is nothing but 8. So 3 power 8 means 3 power 8 means nothing but 3 into up to how many times? You have to make it 8 times. Okay. If you calculate means what is the answer? The answer is, I think it is 6561. Already I calculated, you also calculate. Okay. The answer is 6561. Yes. So listen. So the value of B is 6561 and the value of A is minus 2. So print A means what is the answer? So because of this A, the answer is minus 2. And because of this B, the answer is 6561. Got it? Okay, you see, don't, in this power, first always do the last 2 and then come to this one. See, 3 power 2 power 3 means, don't do 3 power 2 and then you, if you do the next one means it is wrong. So always do the last 2. 2 power 3 means it is 8. So 3 power 8 means it is 6561. Got it? Fine. So this is the answer, please make a note. Shall we go for next sum? Okay. Okay students, now we are going for the third question. The following code does not report any zero division error. Why? You see, this is the expression. Okay, this is the expression given in Python. Okay, so here 10 divided by 0 is there. Okay, you see, I'm just taking my calculator. If I put 10 divided by 0, if I give equal to means, it shows cannot divide by 0. Okay, so 10 by 0 means it cannot be divided, it will show an error. Okay, this will show an error. But if you type 3 or 10 by 0 means it will show no error. Why? You say the reason. If you simply type 10 by 0 enter means it will show error. But if you type 3 or 10 by 0 means no error. Why? You think and say the answer. Any idea? No idea. Okay, I will tell you. Listen, here the system how it check means this is 0 or non-zero. This one is 0 or non-zero. Okay, this is under the category of non-zero. Okay, that means it has a success state. Okay, so it is success state. So this will be selected, and it won't go for the OR option. You see, you are going to an interview. Okay, in the first interview itself, your selected means you won't go for the OR option, either OR option. Next company you won't go. Am I right? Okay, so 3 is non-zero. Okay, since 3 is a non-zero, it gets selected. Okay, if you press enter means the output is 3. What is the output? The output is 3. Okay, so 3 is non-zero, so it is selected. Since it is selected, the control flow of the system won't go for 10 by 0. It won't go there. Understand? So that's why it is no error. Okay, fine. So one more question is there. One more question is that what changes you can do to make zero division error? Listen. This is the expression. Okay? This is the expression. In this expression, the same expression you have to use. The same expression you have to use. But if you do some small changes in this expression, it will such that it should show that zero division error. இதே தான் எழுதணும். கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆனா இந்த டைம் கண்டிப்பா எரர் வரணும். It should show zero division error. Error வரணும்னா இதனை இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் எப்படி மாத்தணும்? How to change it? Same meaning but how to change it differently? Any idea? Okay, I will tell you. You see, instead of writing 3 or I write the answer. Okay, same expression you write but in different manner. 3 instead of writing 3 or 10 by 0, if I write 10 by 0 or 3 means both are just like same expression. But this time it will show error or no error. Yes, this time it will show error. Why? It will show error. Why? You think and say it. Any idea? Listen. Now the control flow will directly see 10 by 0. Since 10 by 0 cannot be divided, it is the infinite value. It will give the infinite value. We cannot divide. So because of this reason cannot be divided, it will show zero division error. Got it? So since this cannot be divided, so it will show zero division error. So for this question, this is the answer. Got it? Okay, shall we go for the next question? Right. Okay, students, this is the first question. Find the error. Okay, you see, name equal to Hari T. Okay, that means this is Hari, H-A-R-I-T. Each and every letter has a separate place. Okay, fine. You see, if you give print name means it will print what it will print? It will print Hari T. Understand? So name is equal to Hari T. If you give print name means it will print Hari T. Got it? Okay. Then name of 2. Name array of 2. You see, what is the name array of 2? You got confused, right? Very simple, you see. Name array of 3. What is the letter? You tell me. Name array of 3. What is the letter? So this is name. Name array of 3 means is nothing but I. And name array of 2 means name of 2 means nothing but small r. That means this place. This is called name array of 2. Okay? Fine. So listen. Name array of 2, that means this place is equal to capital R means, okay, what will happen? Then in the next line, print name means what is the output? That is my question. You think and say the answer. Any idea? What do you think now? This R will be erased and this R will be erased and the capital R will come. Then the new name is, and the new output is H-A-R-I capital T. You will think like that. Am I right? You think this is the output? No. This is not the exact output. This is not happening here. Why? I will tell you. Okay? This is not the answer. And this is not happening here. Okay? So, sir, if you type this one, if you press enter, what will be the output? The output is, it will show error. Error? Yes, error. What error? The error is str object does not support item assignment. You see, why I will tell you. This will show the error, and this is the error. This name is a string. This name is a string object. Okay. This name will not support the item assignment. That means, you see, you just assume this watch. Okay, fine. So, in this watch, inside a machine, okay, machine is there, okay. Inside that machine, a small part is not properly working. Okay, so I am directly cannot repair that one. Okay, inside that machinery, okay, that part directly I cannot repair that one. Only thing what I can do is I can throw this watch and I can buy a new watch. Okay, I directly cannot change the machinery part. Okay, but only thing what I can do now, I can throw that watch and I can buy a new watch. So what I am trying to say is very simple. You see, name is equal to Hariti. Okay, then if I give name is equal to Ramu means this is perfectly okay. I am just fully thrown the value of Hariti and I give the new name as Ramu. Yes, absolutely no problem. But here you should not mention like this. 2 or 3 like that you should not mention. Simply you have to type name is equal to Ramu means it will throw this name completely and it will receive a new name. Okay, but if you want to change a particular character inside the string means obviously it will throw an error. What error? The string object does not support item assignment. ஒரு string இருக்கு அப்படினா stringக்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிற ஒரு character மட்டும் நீ மாத்தணும் அப்படினா it is not possible. But only thing what you can do now, you can completely erase this name and you can give the new name. It is possible. And one more thing, here in this place, if you give an index place means this also will show you an error. Understand? So this is the actual question. So this is called item assignment. Okay? So this name is nothing but a string object. This will not support the item assignment. That means a particular character cannot be replaced. So it will not support the item assignment. Okay? So for this question, and this is the answer. Got it? So please make it out. Shall I go for next question? Okay, right. Okay, students. Now we are going for the next question. Okay? Find the error. So print a function inside that type function, inside that int function, inside that 1, 2, 3 is nothing but a string. Okay. Now, what is the output for this line? Any idea? No idea. You see, suppose if I have big brackets, medium brackets, and small bracket means always first to see the small bracket. Okay. So listen. First go to the small bracket. What is this? Very simple. 1, 2, 3. It is a string. See, 25. This is an integer number. It's a number. But now this is a string. It is not a number. This is a string. Understand the difference between the string and number? Okay. So listen. Now this 1, 2, 3 is a string or number. You say. Yes. Because of this double quotes, this is a string. And now, because of this int, if you see, now this and this both you have to see together. Okay. So, this string you have to convert to integer. This string you have to convert to integer means, now this double quotation 1, 2, 3 will become 1, 2, 3. Simply 1, 2, 3. It is an integer number. So, because of this type, okay, so type of 1 to 3 means this 1 to 3 is of what type? Okay, it is of integer type. So if you press enter means the 1 2 3 is n type. Integer type. Integer na you see. Int means example is 5. Okay. Float means the example is 5.2 like this. Okay, decimal point. Okay. String means the example is hello. String means double quotation will be there. Float means decimal point will be there. Int means 5 will be there. Simply 5, no decimal points. Okay. So this 1 to 3 is of among the three is of what type? Yes, it is of integer type. So the output will be integer. Okay. So it will write class int. Don't forget to put less than. Don't forget to put greater than. Don't forget to put class. And in you have to give one single quotes and single quotes. Got it? So for this, if you write simply int means I won't give that mark. You have to write less than, greater than, class, int, then single quotes, then only the answer is correct. So for this line, there is no error. It is absolutely correct. For this line, no error. Shall we go for next one? Yes. Big brackets, medium bracket, small bracket. What to see? Yes, you have to use small bracket. So 1 2 3.0. It is of what type? You say. Yes, it is of float type. Now, str, because of this str function, this 123.0, now it will become, because of the str, it will become string. It will become string like this. Okay. Now, this double quotation 123.0 is a string. It is of what type it is asking. If you press enter means among the three, what it will show? Yes, it will show the string. Okay. So if you type simply str means I won't give the answer. Okay, I won't give the mark. So you have to give class single quotation str, then less than greater than you have to put. Okay, so this line has no error. It will show the output. Yes, this is correct. And now the question is find the error. This line no error. This line no error. What about this line? Shall we see? Okay. So hello. Hello is a integer or float or string. Yes, hello is a string. Now int of hello means how can you convert this hello as int? In the hello number maatha mudiyuma. You see, this 1 2 3 is a number can be changed as a string. 1 2 3 is string maatha mudiyum. It's possible. But hello you cannot make it as a number. So this line there is a huge complication is there. Because of this complication, it will show mark. It will show error. Okay, it will show the error. What error it will show? It will show invalid literal for int. That means here you gave int, that's not okay. But in this place, you can give some other value, but you should not use string. So this is wrong. Like that it is saying. So it is error. What kind of error? Invalid literal for int. Got it? So for this question, this is the answer. This line and this line and this line is the answer. Okay, please make a note. So thanks for watching and thank you very much.